story? Let's begin. In the heart of the Kenyan savannah lived Tembo, a wise elephant known for his big ears and gentle nature. One bright morning, Tembo found a diligent group of ants bustling with food. Intrigued, Tembo asked, "Why do you toil so tirelessly?" One ant proclaimed, "Together we achieve greatness." Impressed, Tembo gathered zebras, lions, giraffes, and rhinos, forming a diverse group of animals in order to go on a journey to find a better place to live. They shared the wisdom of the ants and the proverb, "If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together." Each brought unique strengths: speed, protection, keen sight, and mighty strength. They faced challenges with unity, deepening their bonds. Finally, after many days, they reached a lush oasis. Tembo thanked his companions, and under a baobab tree, they celebrated. As the sun set, they whispered, "If you want to go far, go together." They realized together they were unstoppable. I hoped you liked my story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.